I'm on my way to a meeting right now. Just a business meeting. I'll be there for an hour. And afterwards, I'll be going out to check out a job site. We got a new job site coming up. And I'll be meeting Johnny Boy on site, just going over what we need to stage our Connex for all the equipment. And so that's the plan for this morning. Let's go. Just got done with my meeting. Now I'm heading over to the job site, and like I said, I'm just meeting my boy Johnny on site, just going over plans and see what we need to do on site before we start. So let's go. Just arrived on site. This is my first time seeing this job site. It's not too bad. There's a total of 7 buildings on this site. They're townhomes, and then 1 office building, which is I think the clubhouse. So I'm just gonna find a parking spot here and wait for John to get here. Then we're gonna go just walk on the site and see what they got so far. It looks like they got 1 building already starting framing. I don't know. There's a couple buildings on. Yeah, I think. Yeah, they got 1 building so far, half framed. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. There's other buildings here on site. Maybe it's a different project that is already framed, but I'm not sure if it's part of this one. So we'll find out once we go walking. Let me go look for a parking spot real quick. We're gonna go check out the first building. How many buildings?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4?
4 foundations.
How the hell is this? On plan it shows 7 buildings.
Unless no one's gonna finish.
Oh, maybe that side. See the fence go that way
Oh yeah, huh?
and go that way like this.
Yeah.
So these 4 right here, maybe 1 more in the front over there.
Yeah, where are those all? Alright. I am on my way to meet one of my guys on this new project that we have. We haven't started it yet, but it will be starting next week. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is Connex. I know. I never saved any contact from this company.
That's good news. That's why I'm going
fun.
Yeah, fun.
I'm heading right now. Today we got a delivery coming out to the townhomes that we are starting up here soon. So we're just gonna, in this delivery, we have all of the equipment for all of the buildings being delivered, and we're just gonna store it all in the Connex. And so we're just gonna go and unload all these equipment and make sure we got everything for the project. And so today is just gonna be unloading and organizing all the equipment. So let's go. We're loading the container. First ship down. Johnny's setting up his phone.
Said I'd take it. How many of these did you order?
You ordered.
That's it. I'm gonna put it. Boy. Ooh, you put it in the fire already.
Man, only $20 at Costco.
What?
Costco.
You better want. Don't be lying. Five below.
Yes.
Vai meu cagão tem na lá, né? Vou meu rapé com que chama o de. Dele em shape.
Let's go. It's gonna be too tall.
Well, if we dance like just when we drop it, it's gonna come in. Push. Wait. I was gonna get you.
Ah, beautiful. Thanks, yeah.
He's the only person I've ever seen that it still fits.
I think we're good.
You know, it's just different wear and tear.
Yeah.
Right down the street.
Yeah. Pack all the units in. Containers full. Time to go home. I mean, time for lunch. Let's go. I found Johnny. Today they're just doing fans, bathroom fans and dryer. And then we got line set after that. I'm on the 3rd floor. Here's one fan for the bathroom. And then we got a dryer over here. Stackable, and then another bathroom fan. Nice. This is the 3rd floor. Going down to the 2nd floor. And then we got another bathroom fan over here. Easy. And then we got the main bottom floor. This is the garage. We got these are heat pumps all going on the rooftop. So I'm just gonna go check out the roof, see how our layout is gonna be. Let's go. Oh shit. Got all our pipes sticking out. And I think our units are going, for each unit, I believe they're going center all the way across. And then one will be sitting right here, and then another one sitting on this side, going all the way down. This is a pretty straightforward, simple. Each unit takes a 4-head high wall, and then we got the heat pumps on the rooftops, and then just bathroom fans and dryer vents, and that's pretty much it. Easy work, but it'll be fun. Let's go. Ooh-ah. Ooh-ah.